Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we will be making chocolate chip cookies. And the ingredients are butter, sugar, white and brown sugar, salt, vanilla essence, all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, dried coconut, and chocolate chips. Let's start. Firstly, add in 85 grams of softened butter. Next, add 25 grams of white sugar and 25 grams of brown sugar. And now we mix until the butter and sugar are fluffy. And now we add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add in 100 grams of all-purpose flour with a pinch of salt, quarter teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. After the flour, we mix. Next, we add 4 tablespoons of dried coconut. Lastly, add 60 grams of chocolate chips. And now we mix. And now we are going to shape them into balls. Make sure your hands are clean. And now we are going to flatten them. Since I am using a convection oven, we will bake the cookies at 140 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. But if you are using a standard oven, you will need to bake the cookies at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes or longer. And now we wait for the cookies to bake. The cookies are done. And now we let the cookies cool for 5 minutes before we can try them. And now, let's take a bite. Delicious. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, so start letak dari dalam flour boleh.
Behind the scene.